Welcome to Wild Horse Wednesdays at Gateway Bronco. Today we're going to talk about Bronco bodies. And in particular, the question that we get asked all the time, do we restore an original Ford Bronco that's rusted and turn it into a brand new show quality condition? Or do we take a brand new body to build what we do at Gateway Bronco? And we would state that we do both. Well, how do we turn each of these into show quality vehicles? What we do is we put each either restored or brand new body into an 18-point modifications that are proprietary to Gateway Bronco. What do these things do? These take our bodies and turn them into the fit and finish with flush and gap that is truly show quality. So people ask us, what is flush and gap? The flush is how well does the door align with the rest of the body? Or the gap, how well is that vertical seam on the door versus the front fender? This is how we consistently provide show quality vehicles for every Bronco delivered. Thank you so much for joining Wild Horse Wednesdays at Gateway Bronco.